Good morning, students. In the last video, we have seen that the boy wanted to become a gardener. Okay? In this video, we will see that what the boy wanted to become and in the night. Okay? So let's start. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sends me to bed. Means in the evening when it gets dark, then his mother sent him to the bed to sleep. Okay, so see, his timing is fixed. Okay, so whenever it gets dark in the evening, then he has to go to the bed and sleep. So let's see. I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. So, at the night time, he can see through his open window that the watchman is walking there, okay, up and down. Means he saw a watchman was walking there, okay. So, at the night time, walking up and down means walking here and there. He is checking whether who is coming in the society or apartment. Okay, so he can see that from his window. The lane is dark and lonely. So the lane is dark and lonely means at the night time there will be no people. No, there will be no people and lonely. Okay, means the watchman was lonely. No one was there. Okay, on the road. Okay, only he was walking here and there and seeing that if anyone is coming or entering the society. Okay, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. Okay, the street light stands. So I think you must have seen the street light stands, street lamp stands. Okay, how they look like? There is a pole. Okay, and on that there will be there is a single lamp. Okay, so such street lamps are present. Okay, and how they are looking like? They are looking like giant with one red eye. Okay, what is here mean by giant with one red eye? Reference to a character from Greek mythology. Okay, so here that is looking like there is a man and at its head there is only one red eye. Okay, if you imagine that, okay, street lamps, okay, you can imagine that there is only a pole and a single light at its head. Okay, so he is comparing that with giant with one red eye. So at that time, at the time night time, what he can see through his window that the watchman is walking here and there, and that lane is empty, dark, lonely. Okay, because there were no people. Okay, as everyone uh, was at their home. Okay, and only watchman is there for their security. Okay, the watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side and never once goes to bed in his life. So, what the boy thinks? He thinks that the watchman swings his lantern. Lantern means oil lamp. Okay. So, in old days, oil lamps were used so that the watchman can see properly. Okay. The light will come out of that lamp and he can see all the things, okay, clearly, and walks with his shadow at his side. So at the night time with his lantern, his shadow is also walking with him. Okay, so the the boy thinks that the watchman is walking with his shadow and he never once goes to bed in his life. So he thinks, the boy thinks that the watchman, at the night time when everyone sleeps, the watchman is protecting them. Okay, and uh, he was awake at the night, so he thought that he will and he will he never slept. Okay, he thought that uh, at the time of night only we can sleep, and that's at the night time the watchman is working. That's why he thought that watchman have never slept. Okay, so now he is wishing for being a watchman. Okay, I wish I were a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadows with my lantern. Chasing the shadow means following an imaginary goal or target. Okay, so his shadow is walking with him. Okay, and the boy thinks that he is walking with that shadow, he is following his imaginary shadow. Okay, and with his lantern. So now the boy is wanting to be a watchman. Okay, and walking the streets all night. Okay, so I think from this poem you have understood that that boy just wanted to be free. Okay, just wanted to be what he likes. Okay, he just wanted to lead a carefree life. Okay, so at the time of the morning when he saw the hawker, and he saw that the hawker is going anyway. Okay, he has no restrictions. Okay, on time. Okay, on place, he can go anywhere where he wants to go. So the boy also wants to be the hawker, and he wants to go to anywhere in the world. Okay, and in the afternoon time he wanted to become a gardener, because he saw he saw that the gardener is playing in the soil. Okay, he is getting dirty. Also, he is baking in sun, but no one is shouting at him. So he also wanted to be a gardener. And at the night time he wanted to become a watchman, because he thought that that watchman never sleeps. Okay, he just wander at the night. Okay, he just walk all over the night on the streets anywhere he wanted to uh, go. So the boy thought that it is interesting, and he also wanted to become a watchman. So because the boy's life is very planned. Okay, he has to do all the things at the time. He has to wake up wake up in the morning. Okay, early in the morning. He has to go to the school in time, otherwise he will be punished. He has to come from the home at the particular time. Okay, he was not allowed to go anywhere from the school. He will directly come to the home. And also he has restrictions on sleeping also. Okay, at the night time when it gets dark, then he must have to go to bed and sleep. So he was fed up of this planned day. Okay, fixed day. He wanted to change all of this. Okay, uh, he just wanted to live carefreely. Okay, so he was thinking to become a hawker, or a gardener, or a watchman. Okay, you got it, students? Thank you.